Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove grid lines in Exness. If you want a cleaner chart view in Exness, removing grid lines can make the graph easier to read and less visually distracting. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to find that setting and how to turn it off inside the Exness terminal. Begin by going to your Exness personal area. This is the main dashboard where you can access your trading tools and account options. Once you're there, look for the trade section and click on it. This will open the available trading-related options connected to your account. From the trade area, select Exness Terminal. This will take you into the web-based trading terminal, where you can view charts and adjust how they appear. Give it a moment to load fully if needed, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. Once the terminal is open, move to the chart or graph area. Right-click anywhere on the graph to open the chart menu. In that menu, click Settings. This is where you can customize the chart's appearance, including visual elements like the background and grid lines. After the settings window appears, click the pen icon, sometimes shown as the Canvas or Appearance section. This part of the settings controls the visual style of the chart. If you don't immediately recognize the icon, look for the tab that relates to chart design or display options. Next, find the grid line setting. Click on it, and then choose None. This will remove the grid lines from the chart so the display looks cleaner and more streamlined. This can be especially useful if you prefer focusing only on candlesticks, price movement, or indicators without extra lines in the background. Once you've selected None, click OK to save your changes. After that, your chart should update and show the new appearance right away. If the grid lines still appear, it may help to reopen the settings and confirm that None is selected before saving again. Also, make sure you are editing the correct chart window if you have multiple charts open. That's it. You've successfully removed grid lines in Exness. This is a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable and clear your charting experience feels. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helped you customize your Exness terminal with ease.